Go. Hey, Phil, what's up?
Come on.
Go, go, go.
Gotta go fast.
Run, run.
Gotta go fast. Moving at speed of sound. Fastest hedgehog around.
Jumping to new locations. Hunter, help, 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 help.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you just rushing ahead?
Yep.
What? What?
God damn it!
Oh, you're down. Man, right, you're the only one I can trust
No.
over there.
Don't.
Do something.
No.
Where did all the...
He got
Whoa,
killed by the witch! The witch murdered him! Come back here!
What?
Kick
What?
your ass.
Oh, that's a tank. This is like watching TV or YouTube.
How you been? Fight me, bro!
Oh, thanks. I'm
Come
alive
at
now, but I
me!
have like nothing on me.
Fight me!
Ow! I got the thing!
You want to fight, bro?
Wow, that was easy.
Dude,
We need to go up that ladder.
Okay.
Wow, really,
Somehow-
Zoe? You need to go up the ladder? Wow, useful information.
Somehow, the fact of the matter is that that tank messed us up more, even though we were like going it down the entire time, but it messed us up more somehow.
Oh my
Somehow
God.
the tank
Yeah.
made our situation even worse.
Winky winky, la 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 la.
I have that on video, by the way.
None of you. Leave him.
Hey, that hurts!
Excuse me?
You're on your own, Seals.
Well, until the fire, dies down. It's, oh, no, close it.
Durbin Pauls.
We might need these.
Wow, thanks. That's really considerate.
You're welcome.
That sounded, what?
Looks like you're gonna need some of them pills.
Yeah.
Just la-
Hunter was just like on your head.
Don't go, never mind. How did I kill a charger?
Because it ran after me, it chased me.
That makes no
Russian,
sense
I'm
on
just
how I
Russian.
killed it.
Come on. Get in the safe room. Get in the safe room. Don't die now. Get in the safe room.
I'm
Don't
not gonna
die
lie to
now.
you, Otis.
This will only take a second.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. There.
Good.
Tinky winky!
Lemon stinky!
Bullshit.
La la!
Something. I didn't watch Teletubbies.
Tinky Winky, Lala, Po.
No, why did the infected have to
Coming,
hit me?
coming.
And the second I was about to hit the infected.
I like how one of them is just named
go.
like Poe. All of them have weird names except for Poe.
Okay, bitch.
Hello there, dear mother! How are you doing?
Why?
I can get you back up.
Oh Jesus!
You'll be okay.
Yo, hey, Podius, can you help, please?
Could one of you please do the helping of the me?
Are you just come on, help? Yeah, okay, all right, there we go, got him up.
Oh, thank God, I killed the thing. Oh, hang on. That is literally the scout's mother.
Wait, what?
Huh.
Yeah. Hey, that is.
That is the scout's mother.
Oh, I
Oh.
kind of threw that propane. Fuck this
Wow.
computer.
What a. It's a nice reference.
Yeah,
It looks like some kind of
fine.
eldritch demon now.
Eldritch T. Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna heal myself. You know,
Cover me.
No.
might as well. No,
No, you're not allowed to. Not yet.
I'm sorry.
You should be. her to death.
I just killed her with my fucking weapon. I don't even live anymore. I don't even.
Understandable.
Come on. Come on.
It's eating my soul.
Same.
Get inside.
I think, personally, this went well. Hang on.
Yeah, I know, right? Only like 2 people died.
Just grab a hunting rifle and get next to me.
I'm grabbing a hunting
All
knife.
right.
Oh my god. Oh crap! I was on my mic for 5 minutes. Shit.
Yeah.
Lock the door.
No.
Yeah, he said that the whole entire time, the guy annoying. And then I killed him. I just killed him once, and then, okay,
I
let's
think
go.
they're above us.
Get the hunting rifle.
Lock that door. Lock the door.
10 out of 10 strats.
Let's go on an adventure.
Door,
Come on.
please.
Yeah,
Where'd
sure.
my gun go?
Let's do it.
Where did my gun go?
What gun? Which one?
There it is.
Yeah, let's go. Why not?
The boomer just jumped out like, hey, hatch. Well, found Francis.
God, not Francis.
That's a pretty
What?
delayed
Jump
reaction.
out.
Over
Francis.
here.
Don't do it. Oh god, it's gonna be funny if you actually jump off.
Smoke.
Let's
Smoke
go
and
back
boom.
for now.
Yeah, let's not do that. Get in. What? Get in. Get in. Get in.
Man Ray left. Poor Man Ray.
Here.
Yeah, he was
Oh,
just
well.
tired of our shenanigans.
Tired of our shit.
Everyone inside.
He was sick of our shit. Oh, yo, got.
Someone's throwing us like fireworks.
Help!
in the
Right behind you.
Outside right now.
You know,
Fireworks in January.
Smack.
Why are fireworks in
that could have been really, really bad.
That could have been real bad.
That could've been
I think we
real
should,
good.
I think we
Oh,
should get
yeah.
inside now, you know.
I think that's enough exploring for today.
That's enough adventuring for, you know, lifetime.
Gonna grab this Thunder AK.
Nah, I got my gun. I got the motherfucking P90. I got to back it up with the
Yeah, Penanda Briz. Penanda Briz.
I got the fucking P90 with a oh shit.
Let's go. P90 Briz.
I cannot explain that. I don't know what just happened there. Oh, hello, Blurble McNugget.
Oh, yeah. P90 Briz.
Oh my face! He wanted to
Don't
rape
slap me.
He was
Slap me
waiting for
down.
us, bruh.
I'm
He
just
knew
gonna
we were
machete him.
coming. And he's coming after me.
Toby, don't fucking
We'll get that Briz.
Nah, I can heal you up, bro.
You think you're so special.
Can you not, like, slap me, please?
First, Lewis.
Weapons over here.
First, Lewis.
McNugget, are you gonna get in here and grab this explosive ammunition, boy?
What are you, Macho Man Randy Savage?
Say Burble.
I got him. Hunter's like, hey guys, can I join?
There we go.
Well, I'm pretty sure all this happened just because of Obama.
Frick!
Yeah, you
Ow!
know, yeah, this is the only reason that the infection started is Obama. Stab it. Oh my god, it actually worked.
Can we go?
Hunt man, I'm scared.
It's a cunt.
Man.
Thank.
It's dead. I do not have a girlfriend, so you are in fact correct in that fact.
I don't have any friends.
You're right. Why is this loser even here?
I know, right? Like, why am I even here? No, really, I have amnesia. Can someone please tell me?
He literally broke into our game after we said no.
Watching me.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really know who I am, honestly. Why is everything trying to kill me?
You are a seal. S-E-Q.
Are you serious?
Y138Z seal.
What the hell?
You better take that tank, snap its neck faster than it can cry for its mommy. Now show me your war face, maggot.
Are you the soldier now?
I I don't know what I am, but all I know is that you'll find a bone in your ass if you ever talk back to me
you're
again.
like the
soldier.
you're like the NG and the soldier combined then.
To the
No,
bar.
no, 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 no. Help.
Leave him.
Oh, thanks. Wow, I really appreciate that.
I am 9 HP right now.
Well, I just kind of glitched through that. That was weird.
Get in the truck.
And we're
Get in the truck.
That went well.
Get it in the truck. Get in the truck.
Ow,
No, no,
that
no,
still
no,
hurt
no,
me.
no, no, no. No. Get off me. No. Don't. Don't.
No, shit, don't put it in.
No.
You gotta be serious. We should never need to do that. I'm trying to save for my kid.
I'm sorry.
Oh no.
No.